Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Toganoo-Ni. Toganoo-Ni is the one of the Japanese monk's food, Shojin Ryori, which is vegan. Recently, the Whole Foods near my town start selling Japanese sweet potato. Before that, I only can find in Asian grocery store. So you may be able to find Japanese sweet potato if you have Whole Foods store in your town. But that was about probably 3 or 4 years ago. I started seeing Japanese sweet potato. What is the difference? First of all, the looking outside color is different, and they have some similar looking sweet potato here in the United States, but when you cut it, Japanese sweet potatoes are inside of more likely white or cream or yellow color instead of orange like regular sweet potato in the United States. And also taste-wise, my opinion, Japanese sweet potato is sweeter and less watery. When you bake regular sweet potato or orange one, sometimes it's kind of watery and soft, but compared to that, it depends on the sweet potato, of course, but Japanese sweet potatoes are more hard inside, so that is the difference. And in Japan, they use sweet potato because this is very sweet, in my opinion, sweeter than other American sweet potato, so they use for sweets, and also of course for the just regular dinner like dish, or they're making alcohol too, especially in Kyushu area, which is the northern part of Japan, the island. They are famous and they're known to making shochu, which is imojochu that's made from sweet potato, because sweet potatoes grown in not rich soil and also hot temperature. So this sweet potato believed to came from Peru, the South America, and through China to early 1900, launched to the Okinawa and to the Kyushu area, and that's why it's very famous now and popular food in Kyushu area. And we call sometimes karaimo, which means Chinese potato, or satsumaimo, which is the part of the name of Kyushu. So that's Japanese origin. It's more likely from Kyushu. What is Shojin Ryori is, it's Japanese monk's food. And because of this is religion, and religious reason that Japanese monks doesn't kill any animals, and also to eat complete everything, whole foods, is the part of their practice. So they don't waste anything. They try not to waste anything. Well, probably very tiny small things, but they eat everything about the food and ingredients. For example, you peel the, for example, like carrots or daikon radish. they don't throw them out. They eat those things. That's what I mean. That's complete whole foods. So this recipe came from they have a couple different origin that's people believe and talked about, and one of that thing is it came from Shojin Ryori, which is the Japanese monk's food. It's that area name is Toganoo-Ni, and that is Kyoto. And also the other saying that the Toganoo-Ni, that is the restaurant name in Kyoto, they start making this dish. So they have a couple different stories, but I don't know which is true. However, I learned this recipe from my Shojin Ryori cooking class. So I will show you how to make it today. And of course, this is vegan. When you cut the sweet potato, put in the water and rinse it, because they have starch and polyphenol, and you want to rinse and take off those things before you cook. So this is how to cook Toganoo-Ni, and I hope you like this video. And if you like my channel, please subscribe and please some thumbs up so that I can continue making more videos. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I'm Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time.